Hello everybody, Jalen Lawrence here. Um, finna do me a quick unboxing from Amazon. The box is already partially opened. It was like this when I got it. I didn't order it. My dad had got me a late birthday present. Let's see what's in here. Oh, let's go! I got a Marlins hat. That's my favorite MLB baseball team right there. Yeah, let me unbox this. Shoot. Hey, hold up. Let me cut this down right quick. Ooh. Oh, wait here. Here's how the hat looks. Yeah, I don't know if y'all guys can. Okay, here it is. Okay. This is how the hat looks. Let me see if I can get this thing out right quick. Hold up. Alright. See if I can try this on right quick. I don't know if y'all guys can see me, but here is me wearing this Mons hat. I really hope you can see me. I hope it looks nice because I can't exactly see where the camera's pointing at. So yeah. I just hope I didn't film the TV because I'm currently watching the Clemson NC State game. Yeah. I just hope I don't end up. Yeah, I just hope this channel don't get banned because I had lost my YouTube channel Jalen Barnes earlier today, well yesterday. This was originally my ASMR channel, but I haven't been posting anything on my ASMR channel. I don't know, I just haven't did it. Yeah, this is my first ever unboxing video. So there's this thing right here. This isn't one of the things I ordered, but this is I don't know what this is. This is a airspeed thing, something. I don't know what this thing is for. And ooh, NHL 11 Xbox 360. Cover athlete Jonathan Tabes, Black Ops captain, aka Captain Serious. This is how it looks like, the game disc, the pamphlet. I mean, fun fact, I actually had this game before, but I had lost it somewhere in my room. I believe I still have it somewhere in my room, but I just can't find it. It's inch 11. I'm gonna play this later on today. So yeah, and that's it. Wait, what? Okay. Well, yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Supporting me, supporting my channel. Help me get to 30 subscribers. I'm sorry, I just got scared for a second there. Yeah, help me get to 30 subscribers on my YouTube channel. Follow my Instagram, SJSharksNation22. I repeat, SJSharksNation22. So yeah, peace guys, peace and love.